Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-size luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, tachometer, leather shift knob, navigation system, driver vanity mirror, heated front seats, front bucket seats, front reading lamps. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.